video is let us try to know deeper in a comprehensive manner what are concepts and ideas by nature, by functions, by usages as well as benefits. Now, for the information of our viewers, especially the students, sometimes they would uh, uh, or they have hard time in differentiating the two. They thought that they are just interchangeable, but in some ways they still have uh, slight differences. Okay, so uh, concepts, the word concepts are the concepts as well as ideas are the foundational building blocks of human thoughts. Uh, Concepts could be defined as a human uh, or mental categorization of human thoughts. Uh, this categorization or classification are based on the uh, principles, uh, events, as well as mm, circumstances. And in the higher perspective, once we'll talk about concept, it is actually a universal idea of an abstract representations of objects, things, or thoughts. It could also be a subject and dynamic categorization of specific manifestation or thoughts, specific thoughts or uh, functional uh, functional representation of an idea which could be found in the real world or real realm of the the life experiences of people. So idea or ideas is actually a specific representation or manifestation of human thoughts. So that's the difference between the concepts and ideas. Concepts are more general. It could be a very universal entity of an abstract or a subject, while an idea is a specific human thought that talks or identifies a very specific thing or an object. So, what is the nature of the two? What is the nature of the two? The concepts as well as the ideas are actually made from the abstract representations. These are immaterial constructs which used to represent objects, principles, or phenomena in the physical and abstract worlds, meaning talking about the concepts and ideas. This could be seen or could manifest in the physical world. We are talking about our world, and in the abstract world, which means that they could be found within our minds. Then the other nature of the concepts and ideas are the what we call subjective and dynamic. These originate in the consciousness of human beings, but that uh, entities within us could be could undergo evolution depending upon the experiences, depending upon the new experiences of a person or people. Then from there, data can be gathered as well as different perspectives may be formulated. Uh, Now let's jump to the functions of the concepts and ideas. These two are have functions known as categorization, which means that they are actually made from complex sensory data which are manageable, that could be identified and understood in our environment instantly. The second function of these concepts and ideas are what we call they are meant for problem solving. So, what does it imply? It implies uh, ideas serve as potential solutions to challenges, meaning ideas could be uh, indicators, suggested indicators that could solve problems, while concepts, which can be seen on the higher perspective, could provide the theoretical support or framework in analyzing problems. The third function of the concepts and ideas are the what we call communication. In the process of communication, they could provide vocabulary that allows individuals to communicate, talk, chat, exchange ideas, even in a complex level, or we call this one as complex levels, complex emotional language, as well as theories. Now, the primary usages of concepts and ideas are they are meant for they are meant for innovation and design, meaning ideas could produce or suggest uh, new products that are needed by a business organization or and ideas that are needed in the world of arts and technologies. Another is we also have decision making, which means that concepts and ideas could be the source of decision making and interpreting human structure societies based from historical data analysis and scientific also. Then the major benefits of concepts and ideas are they are meant for efficiency, meaning Instead of analyzing every object, there is a complete new set of entity which could uh, which could uh, turn into a pattern or patterns for a specific design or techniques. We also have adaptability, meaning since ideas and concepts are just within our minds, they can be manipulated, they can be experimented, they can stimulate scenarios and predict outcomes without having physical testing for survival and progress of human beings. And the third one is the third benefits of concepts and ideas are for cultural evolution. So these concepts and ideas allow generations to uh, build knowledge for scientific purposes, for philosophical uh, meanings and evidences, and moreover for social advancement of the human species. So I hope I have discussed well the meaning and difference of concepts and ideas.